So see where that street is?
Yeah.
Ooh, you may be able to park right behind that white truck.
That's just some game.
Are you sure that's not his wife?
Oh. I don't know. Might be. Am I good on your side?
No, she's tied it up. Then come right behind this red truck. Perfect.
What's your name? What's your name, girlfriend?
Cool.
What's your name?
We need to get the one behind the red.
Behind the
The
red.
red truck that was back there.
Back there? Oh. Okay, one more round. I don't know. Let me show you guys the menu. Oh, you got it right here. Yeah. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are y'all?
Pretty good.
My name is Jane. I'm going to be your server today. Can I get you started with some water? The menu?
Sure. So are the margaritas $5?
Yes, so our house margaritas are $5 and our fruit twists are $6.
Okay. I think I'm gonna get a fruit twist margarita, and I'm gonna try your mango.
And would you like that frozen or on the rocks?
I'm gonna do frozen.
And would you like salt or sugar in there?
Sugar.
All right, I'll get the same thing.
Alrighty, I'll put that right in for you.
Carolina. All right. Let me see. So this one. Oh wow, this one has fries in it. What is this one?
That one, you ordered different stuff than me. Is that the brisket?
Brisket, queso, tomatoes, and it has French fries.
Oh no, that's the Drew Brees.
Oh, it's the Drew Brees.
Yeah.
Dude, this brisket, honestly, it tastes way better than anything I would taste in Tennessee.
Oh yeah.
It tastes better than anything I would eat. Memphis, Nashville. They got so much flavor in it. I can't. And then the queso is so good. I'm done.
So you're definitely. So you said this is the shrimp.
Oh, that's the mahi mahi. Wait, ain't it? Mahi
I think
mahi?
this is the chili shrimp.
Okay. This is the mahi mahi.
Okay, yeah.
Whoa. You can't even really taste those fries.
I
That
don't
brisket.
see the fries. Oh, you cleared it, so.
It's gone. It's gone. Mango, what was this? Deck? No, so, mango tequila?
Margarita.
Mango margarita. Alright, now we're going to mahi. Mahi. With the jalapeno. What else is on this thing? It's jalapeno and relish.
Oh, that was juicy.
Good, good.
Then you'll tell me which one was your best and you order it again.
I'm probably gonna get some more. I might leave it for more.
$3.
Because Taco Tuesday.
I'm gonna do the green.
This is too good. It's too good. Wow.
Trust me.
How's everything taste, y'all? Good? So can I get you
Amazing.
anything else at the moment? No? Good?
Okay, thank you.
Wow.
The gringo is good. That's what Taco Bell wishes they could get.
Seriously, this is like a regular looking taco. Queso, tomato, a little bit of carrots.
And it's somehow a little bit sweet.
Dude, oh my gosh. I'm done.
The best food city in America.
I'm done.
The best food city in America.
See how easy I clipped 4? I'm about to clip 4. I'm about to go for number 4. Now this one has mango. What is this one? You don't got this one, do you? Oh, this is mango and chicken.
Jerk chicken?
Yeah, that's what it is. Jerk chicken. Wow.
Yep.
Okay. Now I fell in love with this one.
Really?
This one's good. That mango, I don't know. The mango just it just goes perfect with the jerk chicken.
Sometimes it's the most simplest thing.
Spicy and sweet.
Perfect combination. Now,
I'm gonna cry.
we can get these to go and walk around with you.
Oh, I might finish this
I think I made this for to go.
for another round.
You know, I always.
You're the one who said you could chug it.
I know.
All right, we're gonna load it up. Oh gosh, last tray.
I'm gonna do this one next.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna do it together. Let me go ahead and go down this. This is good. I'm done.
And I'm satisfied.
Yeah. Wow. Let me go on to this one. Because my stomach's still ready for the next one. Now this is, what is this? Corn. It looks like barbecue sauce.
That
And
one is probably the North Carolina.
North Carolina. Oh my gosh. Good.
That one I just had that reaction. That was the first one. I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah.
And then they got better.
Y'all still doing okay? Awesome. Can I get you anything else at the moment? Yeah.
This is amazing. Thank you. So the North Carolina is okay.
Yeah, it's a little dry for me.
All the other ones are better. This will be
See, if you only got that, you would say these are just okay, but you got
everything.
ready.
I'm a little tipsy too. I can gulp that down. I'm feeling a little fuzzy. It's breaking out my personality.
We never would have been able to do that. Ever.
Wow, thank you for taking me here.
Of course. Like I said, I have what I've done before, so I can vouch for it, and then I have what I wish I could have done.
Hey, we got 3 days here. Let's live it up. When I come on homework, it's over with. You ready to see on this? So what's this? What's this called? The taco?
This is the chili shrimp.
The chili shrimp. Oh my gosh, chili glazed shrimp. I'm gonna try it by itself. This shrimp is so big. Where do you get this? Where do you get? What? Oh my god.
Can you fry like that?
I don't even think about the flake to fry like this. I don't even think it. Because this is, man, dude. I only ate the shrimp. I'm in love with it. I didn't even get the chili part.
I love how simple it's dressed. I like the simplicity.
Oh, your legs, yeah. Now this is that kind of food you gotta look at it. You gotta look at it after you bite it. Cause wow,
Thank you.
really good.
May I have a couple of lines? Just need to squeeze them out.
Go. Just like that.
I don't know where I'm gonna put the bread pudding.
Oh, you got full?
Yeah.
That bread pudding going. I got it. I got it. Don't even worry
Said
about
I
it.
know where I'm gonna put it.
I hope it's not big though. I hope it's not huge. It might be massive, huh?
They're known for their bread pudding down here.
Wow.
That and banana foster.
I really forgot what this one was. They got a lot going on. Queso. That's pork, I think. And this is a sour. I mean, not sauerkraut. It's a coleslaw.
I can't remember.
I can't remember what this is. For real. Oh, they got cilantro at the bottom. It's really fresh.
Love cilantro.
Wow, I like
Thank you
that.
so much.
Can I get you anything else at the moment? No, you good?
We're still going.
I'm good to go. Thank you. Wow, I'm like blow my mind. That last one right here with the that's cilantro too, ain't it?
Yeah.
That last one, that's the thing why I have. I think really my favorite one. See, I wish I had a menu with me. My favorite one was the shrimp, the chili glazed shrimp, and the gringo was good too. What else? There's another one. There's another one in there. I can't remember though. I fell in love with it. It was before the shrimp.
Was it?
The jerk. It was the jerk. Jerk chicken. I might just get a couple more.
Listen. Everybody should keep coming back.
That's when they need to tune out because we're about to get X-rated.
It's crazy how that's just 2 pieces of shrimp.
That was amazing. You know what? I seen a vegetarian one. I should try that.
You want to?
I think it's good.
Everything here is great.
Oh yeah, J.O. Jupiter. You're watching. I'm gonna try to get in the video, but we can team up. I'm not that far from Philly. Here you go. Here you go. Oh man. I don't even know what this is, but I'm eating it.
I'm not a fan of the barbecue.
Me neither.
I think they need to leave the barbecue alone.
Barbecue was not good. It was okay.
I think we got the chimichurri. That's the one we both got in the North Carolina.
It was good.
It's not memorable. Not everybody is good at everything. You know, we ordered enough. Now you got the shrimp.
Everything that fell off, I'm gonna scrape the plate. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm scraping the plate. I ain't got nothing to say.
I'm gonna just finish the shrimp.
Maybe we need to take off that bread pudding. You gonna take it off? Yeah, take it off.
Just a thought. And that's the thing that I hate about New Orleans. I never have room for the chore to eat dessert.
Yo. Yeah, I'm good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Now this one you didn't get. This is shrimp and queso.
That looks good.
I love how we're eating a lot of seafood.
I can come here every day. I'm not even lying. I'll come here every Tuesday. Just to get the whole thing. I want seriously, I want every taco. Every
I
one.
like this one because of jalapeno.
I'm telling you. Okay, that looks good.
It's really good.
Wow.
Are you done for the plate?
Thank you so much.
Do you guys want anything else?
I think we're gonna take the banana pudding home.
Banana? No banana pudding? No banana
I got
pudding.
stuffed. I'm sorry.
Yeah. You're good. I can put in these napkins for
Thank
you.
you.
Done, yeah.
Oh,
Taco Tuesday takes people
It
to the
did. It did. I'm gonna finish this off. Thank you so much. Oh, she's pretty nice.
Good.
Yeah, she's awesome. Wow.
They don't make them like that in Tennessee.
Like everybody has like,
Super chill.
yeah.
Go with the flow.
It's kind of like a California vibe, right? Yeah. I love it. I love
A
it.
lot of people move here,
Wow.
and it's affordable.
I need to think about that.
You just have to say the word.
I'm pretty sure they don't have any IT jobs out here though.
And
Good.
I probably want to teach out here
Do they have any?
Something else.
Yeah.
because I already know it's going to be very similar to Atlanta school.
Yeah. Okay, I got you. Do you think they have any high-paying teacher jobs? What about
They have government jobs.
IT? Okay. That was amazing. Oh my gosh. Alright, well, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video. If you love the content, I am extra faded and full. I'm gonna hydrate now.
It'll be good to walk around a little bit.
Alright. I'll see you guys in the next video.